Live in the spotlight with Spotify Premium. Build, curate, and listen to your playlists uninterrupted, even offline. Enjoy 2 months for 800 Naira now and cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
All right guys, we're back at it. I know I said I won't go to stream anymore, but we're back and gold is looking good. Gold is currently looking good for a sell. All I need right now is price closing. I need a top wick on this particular candle, and I look to sell. This trade. I just need price to come back up and give me a topic. But if you keep pushing downwards now, there's no issue for me. I won't bother about it. We just continue with this. Continue with the stream. Basically, just continue with the stream. So let's hold on, guys. Just give me 1 second. Come say hi, guys. Say hi. Let me know wherever you are streaming from, wherever you're watching me from. Say hi to the chat, guys. So gold has basically left us. It's going. I was waiting for a retest of this candle so I can possibly place sell on this trade, but it already moved about 40 pips. 40 pips already to the downside. So what I'm going to do now is go to the 30 minutes and wait for 30 minutes closure. So I'm going to have a 30 minutes support down here so I can look for selling opportunities. So that's what I can do now. So I have to just wait for London open. So while we're doing that, I think it's time. Let's do a proper breakdown so I can. Alright guys, sorry guys, I needed to just finalize some stuff before we continue the stream. So let's get back to it. Okay guys, let's do a proper breakdown on this pair and let's make some money while doing it, or we probably don't. So we are taking a loss today on gold. We had a gold sell. So before I break down gold, let me just quickly tell you guys what I saw and why I got into the sell in the first place. So the sell we got in was sell from here. This was where I had my support initially drawn, and this candle closed a certain way. Now if I go down to the 5 minutes, you see how the 5 minute candle was. So this was the 5 minute that triggered us, and the plan was for week fill, for price to actually fill up the week and push down to the downside. So I placed a sell. I called it out to the group. I placed a sell when the candle was going up, like for a sell stop below this level. Like moment the candle flipped bearish, it should activate us. So what happened is that we got triggered and the next candle started pushing upwards. So I managed my trade with the 1 minute candle. This is exactly where I managed my trade. So I saw this level here. So I noticed that if price starts validating over this 1 hour 5 minutes, sorry, 1 minute, if price starts violating all this 1 minute candle here, that's if it will break above and probably stop us out. So once it started pushing upward, I closed up around 30p, and that was exactly the trade. So now this is gold we're looking at right now. So price actually created a top pick for us, and you can actually now consider selling this price at this point if it breaks back its own low, because now it has created the top pick we're waiting for. But this is the problem. This is the last 15 minutes of the candle. Do I actually want to go in for sales? Because price has already moved 40 to the downside and came back also to do a reset. So why do I want to bother selling it more now, since price has already created, like he has done the move? Why do I want to start chasing this trade? So that's something I should consider. Do I actually want to chase gold, or I should just probably wait for the candle to close and we look for better entries? But gold is not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. But I think I'll wait. Since we have taken a loss already today, assuming we have not placed a trade, I'll probably look to give it an opportunity to feel down, yeah, come back to the downside. But let's just wait on this trade and let's see exactly what happens. Yeah, we might actually get triggered, activated, and price will likely move to the downside. But let's just wait on it and see what happens. Let's just wait on it, guys. Let's just wait on it. So we'll just wait for the 30 minutes candle. You wait for the 30 minutes candle. So once the 30 minutes is over, we can know what we do. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So as I enter the trade now, will have been in drawdown and obvious loss. So now let's break down this trade properly from the daily and look at it from the daily till the current candle, and let's see what everything is going. Let's see what everything is going on. Let's see everything is going on. So this is gold. Let's for this factory, any news events today. Okay, we have like very further news by unemployment rates by 2:30. Then also that nothing something serious, yeah. Let's go over to our daily. Now let's do a proper breakdown. Like let's do this properly. So this is the daily time frame on gold. Now what do you notice? Sorry, 4 hours. Let's go back to daily. Sorry guys. So this is gold daily time frame. And what can we see on the daily? You see that price has a support level here on the daily time frame, and looks like price actually broke above, moved bullish above, came back down, and looking like it's been testing this level. Now there are two things that can happen here. Either price is just coming back up, because if you notice, this is the high, price came down, created a lower low, looking below the structure. You see it came back up, a high, although this price also created a high here, so this could be a differentiation of structure. Price might like looking to continue its trend by forming a high, retesting, and for it to continue pushing to the upside. So this is something that price can likely do, and most likely do on the chart, but that's not what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking for how we can probably look for entries, how we can look for money to make. Now what we can see now on the daily time frame, that price has created a support level where price has retested multiple times, and currently even today's candle have retested that level and it's kind of rejecting. So the only problem here is that price has broken below the previous low and failed to break above the previous high. So you can most likely see that price might give us a bearish momentum on the daily, looking at the daily. But mind you, this is also a support level, so you can likely see a rejection. This might not be price retesting this rejection area to continue pushing to the upside. Now if we drop down to the 4 hours time frame, what do we see price do in the 4 hours? So in the 4 hours time frame, I can see, if my eyes are not paining me, I can see like a proper, looking like an head and shoulder pattern. I can see the lows, I can see the bottom on the 4 hours. This is looking like price is going to do like a head and shoulder to continue pushing upward. That is for those people that trade this kind of setup. But what I can also see here, that this is also a support level that price is retesting. You can see multiple rejection of this level. So if price can hold this level, hold on to this level, despite the fact that the previous daily candle is daily, but price has violated the daily lows and broken below the lows. So what we can see now, we can just wait and see how this candle rejects, how it responds to this. We have about 2 hours to the end of this 4 hours candle. If we get a bearish closure below the structure, like something like this, hold on guys, I'm looking for something, I can't seem to find it. So if you can get a bearish closure below the structure like this, then you can anticipate more selling pressure to the downside for price to get to this level. So this is something you can actually anticipate on gold, but that's not what we're looking at right now. So what I'm looking at is, I need price to just, let's price what it needs to do. Then from there we can react off what price is doing not predict. Just what we need to be, we need to react more than just predicting what price likely wants to. Let's just react. You guys, we should react. Now, if we drop down to the 1 hour time frame, yeah, we can see that price, this is high, low, like it's giving us a selling momentum structure, like it's giving us lower lows and lower highs. You get? So what can we notice that this candle is looking like going to close bearish, and it's also closing below the structure. We have about 4 more minutes, and we need to see a clean closure below some levels before we can look to sell this price. You know, so we need some clean levels, and I'm not liking the way this candle is closing right now. I'm not liking the way it's closing right now. So we need something good enough. And this is 30 minutes. You can see it's also the 30 minutes low. So what I can notice is that always look for your support and resistance level. So this is my support and this is my resistance. So if I'm looking for opportunities to sell, buy this price right now, I need a candle breaking above this level. But wait, before we do that, let's drop down to the 15 minutes and look at it. Yes, it matches. So I'm looking for buys above this level. So I put my stuff, put my text, and indicate that I'm looking for buys above. You get above. So this is the only area I should be looking for buy. So what I want price to do is print out bullish candle. I need to see some bullish momentum going to the upside, and moment I see a bullish closure above, I look for a retest of this structure, and the flip of the candle, I look for price to fill up the wick, and we have a good range of over 200 pips if I'm not mistaken. This is over 200 pips. So for sales as well, sales is likely the same thing. We have a range to the downside on our left hand side. You can see this is where this level we're looking at on the left hand side. But we also need I can't get in around here because the attempt has failed. Unless this candle close, no, I don't want to bother about it because price has already hit TP on this trade. They already got into TP. So the only way I can get back into this trade now, looking at it from the 15-minute time frame, I need the next candle to boldly print out a bearish candle violating this structure and looking like you want to start pushing to the upside. The moment you see a closure below the structure, we can look for a retest of the candle, and the moment you say flip bearish momentum, we can look to sell the price to the downside. So this is something else we can look, and the range is around 180 pips. So let's just wait. We might likely not get the possibility of us getting any setup on this London section is very slim, but let's see. If there's a lot of volume and a lot of momentum, then probably we can get something good, and we can look to let's get something good and trade off. So let's just wait on it. Let's wait on it, guys. So that's it. That'll be all for now. If there's any question you guys can ask me, if you feel anything you need me to know, just shoot me and I'll be here to answer. So that's it. Waiting, guys. So another thing that can happen here is since I'm waiting for the 30 minutes closure, we might likely get a quick sell on this trade, but that will only happen if this candle give us like indecisive candle. So if you give us an indecisive candle, we can or close the way it's closing, we can wait for the next candle to pull back up, then we can look to short it down to the downside. So it look like something like this. You get like something like this. So let's wait for the candle. Let's see how it is, guys. Let's wait. We have about 1 more minute to the end of this candle. So let's see how the candle close. Hopefully we need to close like wick there, so we can have a pullback and the flip of the candle. We can look to sell. It. So that's what we need to do. Just wait. Let's wait, guys. So what we need on the 5 minutes, that I need this 5-minute candle closing bullish and not weak, not strong bearish, and not weak bear. You get? Yeah, I see some love on the stream. I see some love. So let's wait, guys. So we have about a few more seconds to the end, and London open. So let's see what price does, and let's see if we can likely get into anything now. Let's see if we can get to anything. Okay, candle is closed. We have that push up, which is good. 30 minutes closing like this, which is very good. Let's look at it from the 1 hour perspective. 1 hour, you can see there's the level here. You can see this rejection level. This is the place that this is just the problem. You get, this is just the problem. Like, price is actually consolidating right now, like we're in consolidation. So we want to jump into the streets. We want to jump into the streets. We want to jump into the street. Let's see our stop loss. I have a 44 pip stop loss. Let's wait for the 1 minute candle to close first. Then we can know. We want to jump into the street. The only problem here is that we have taken a loss today, so I don't want to just randomly place any trades. You get me? That's the only problem. I don't want to randomly just place any trade because I feel like it will sell. But this is looking like, if you have not placed any trade today, this is looking like something that can happen. It's not like an A+A+ setup, but it's a setup like that can happen because it's just giving us like there's an indecisive handle going on here. So if price, what will happen is I'll paper trade it. You get, I'll paper trade it. I won't place a trade, but let's say I go. So once this candle flip bearish now and breaks low, so this trade should be activated. So let's see how it pushes to the downside. So that's just it. Let's say I push to the downside. Let's say I push to the downside. So you're already at 10 pips already. You place the trade, already at 10 pips. So it seems like the trade was actually a good one. It was actually a good one, guys. It's at 20 pips already, so it touched 20 pips. It was actually a good one, guys. It was actually a good trade, very nice trade. And this trade played out really nice. Like really nice. You can see, pushing to the downside, guys. See actually pushing to the downside. They are really nice, guys. To be honest, I actually entered the small position. I don't want to call it out because we are taking a loss and I wasn't really sure about the trade. But just hold on, guys. You might likely get another entry. You might get another trade once price break below this low. So all things still met. We don't need a closure below this level. So, but this was a trade. I actually placed it. I actually placed the trade, guys. Wow, it's pumping. So we just tapped 100 pips on this trade. Just tap 100 pips on this trade.
Live in the spotlight with Spotify Premium. Build, curate, and listen to your playlists uninterrupted, even offline. Enjoy 2 months for 800 Naira now and cancel any.
This was a beautiful trade. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, guys. Actually plays the trade. Actually plays the sell. I just have some money position running. I know myself was break even. So this one stop me out. It's okay because I already closed up my position already. So you can see me. I'm actually this is basically the trade for the week on this account. So let's see how it goes. So I will likely see call out the trade for you guys, but you have to just wait. You have 7 more minutes. At this point we need a strong bearish closure below the structure. Why? Because you can see on our left there's a weak rejection here. So we need this price closing strong. We don't need the weak rejection, because if we get this weak rejection, I won't be interested in placing any trade on this. So I actually need a strong bearish closure in order for me to not for me to place a trade. So let's wait, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's wait, guys. Let's see. We just have 6 more minutes, Miss Candle. I didn't enter it on time. That's the funny thing. Like my entry was after I said this trade looking like it's going to be good. That's when I go in. So my entry was around this level here. So I don't think I got. I saw like 190 or something on it, or 180. So it wasn't complete 100 pips. But let's see. I'm already up. I'm up for the week. So this should already covered my loss. The loss I had earlier today. So I've already made money back from this sale. Even my runners currently now is giving me my runners alone is giving me my little runners alone is giving me my loss that I made for the day. This is when you know how to do risk management. Like this is risk management at its finest. Like when you know how to use proper risk management. So this is like the best thing. This is like the best thing. So imagine your runners, just your runners. You close your main position. Just your runners is already giving you the exact money you lost for the day. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. So let's see, guys. Let's see, guys. If you have any questions, drop it on the chat. Let me know where you're streaming from. Show some love, guys. Show some love. So we have about 4 more minutes. In the next 4 minutes, we might considering going into another trade, and I'll call out this one to the community. And I will personally won't be entering this trade because I've already taken 2 trades already today. So, but I will call out this particular one for the community so we can see how we can make some money. I'm good. I'm ready up for the day, and I'll be looking to close my position soon. Let's see if this trade. This is like the first I want to hold a proper trade to TP. So let's see if this trade can actually get to this point or halfway through, not completely, just halfway through. Probably fill up this week. Then I'll look to close. So that's the idea about it. So let's wait, guys. Let's see how it plays out. So 4 more minutes, and we look to place more opportunities in the trade. Let's look to place more trades. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. All right, guys. So gold is still pushing down. It's pushing down. Let's see. Did it break this 5 minutes low? Yeah, it's broken 5 minutes low. So my runners is currently around 100 pips. So I don't think we might actually get them. It's pushing, guys. It's actually pushing. I don't think we might actually get any trade other than this one because it's not looking like it wants to close the way I was talking about. So it's actually pushing. It's actually, nigga, you're so emotional. Okay, guys, the rejection is fine. The rejection I'm getting right now is fine. As long as the 5 minutes is okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see. We actually go 100 pips. I close on our small inside my position. I close a smaller position when price goes to 100 pips. I close a smaller position when price goes to 100 pips. This was purely volume. This was purely volume driven. You get this was purely volume driven. Purely volume driven. So let's see, guys. It's closing. Let's see if price wants to retrace to the upside. How many people do you have there? 50 people. Let's see where it retraces to. The 5 minutes was close bullish. The 5 minute close bullish is good. But we need now, we just need price to actually come back up. Come back up so I can call a trade for you guys. I like the fact it has come down a bit, but now let's push back up. Give us a pullback, we can look to sell this trade to the downside. So let me see. But like I said, I won't enter this trade because I've already made the money I am looking to make today already. So this trade is for you guys. So let's see how it goes. So if I'm to place this trade, I don't need price. This is what I need price to do now at this point, because just push back or give a weak rejection. Flip bearish and look to sell. So we're looking to sell at the break of this new candle low. That's where we're anticipating looking for sales to going for short, more short on this trade. Let's see if we can make extra money on gold today. Let's see. Well, I'm already good for the day. I closed extra more position at 100 pips. So I'm just seeing what we can do. Let's see what we can do. So I can have a 60 pip stop loss on gold. So let's do 50. Let's do 50, guys. Let's do 50. let's see, guys. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this particular trade turns out to be. Let's see how this particular trade turns out to be, guys. W's on the chat. Give the stream a like if you haven't given the stream a like. If you're here, just let me know you're streaming with me. Let's show some love, guys. Let's show some love. W's and this year will go to TP. So we're looking at to fill up the week rejection on this trade. So that's the whole idea of this trade. Maybe I'll enter it in my small account. Not my small account. So that one too, I'm already up for the week, so I don't mind. Okay, the trade is triggered. We are live now. Trade is triggered, guys. Let me hide this. Let me take this out. So we're looking to fill up the week. We're going to fill up the week rejection, guys. That's the point. That's it, guys. Hope you guys close some position. Don't mind me, I was actually typing and sending out to the community while this trade was playing what it did. So I can show you guys from my charts. I don't know if you guys can probably see it, but I closed off this trade. So this is when you got to 30 pip, exactly 30 pip. It's going to drive more, but when you get to 30 pip, I closed off the trade. Let me see if you guys can actually see it. But I closed off this trade at when you got to 30 pip. So I've secured my trade. I know you guys can see it, but that's the profit. Or if I go for the entire week, my deposit is almost flipped. This was a $300 deposit, and it's currently at 5. My balance is currently at 5. See my balance 545. Okay, I've already made over $240 profit on the trade. So that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. As long as you know what you're doing, as long as you know what you're doing, and you're staying disciplined to yourself, staying disciplined to your trade, staying disciplined to what that matters, you always come out on top, guys. Always come out on top. Don't forget that I see how my runners running on the other trade. And this trade, I've closed off this trade already. You get, I've closed off this trade. I've closed this trade already. So let's see, guys. So let me bring back that one. Let me just drag it to the downside. Let's see what is running. It's running at 190, almost at 200 pips. So let me even check. Let me check my. Let me check what's going on there. So in this account, we made $1,000 in 2 days. We just got this account yesterday, and this is like phase 2 of the prop firm, and we just pass phase 2 as well. So all these accounts should be traded next year, guys. I'm going to post everything into next year. So let's close up at 190p. So we're done with the entire process. So for the week, let's see the week on gold. We got 1,000 on this, got 1,000 on this. So guys, you can see how many trades we just placed. Just 4 trades on this account, so you can see how it is. And this was the other one. Let me show you guys another one. Show you guys how easy it is. You see this one. This one is 1,200 in profit. And you can see it's 1,200. So that's how easy it's supposed to be. That's how easy the process is supposed to be. And that's all. That should be probably all for today, guys. That should be probably all for today. I don't think I think this is where I'm going to end the stream. I called out about 3 trades today. We had 3 solid trades, and one was not on stream. I don't know why I've not marked up this. Sorry, guys. I don't know why I've not updated the results. So we got 2 trades on stream. So I'm going to update those 2 results now. The other one I called wasn't on stream. So let me update it. So this is 2 wins for streams, 0 for the month. We have 2 and our win. Let's add 2 more to that. So that'll be 36. That'll be 36 wins, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it. We did well. We did well for the month. We did well for today. Solid comeback. This is a solid comeback for us because we haven't streamed much this month, but we did like 2 for 2 today, and this was really crazy. We did 2 for 2 today, so this was crazy. This was crazy, guys. This was crazy, guys. Anyways, I'll be leaving the stream now. We've tried for today. We've tried for today. We did well. We did very well today. So it's almost an hour. We've been streaming, so we did very well for today. So this is where I'll call it the stream, and that'll be it for the week, and most likely for the month as well. So I just came here to see if I can put our win streak on stream as a W. Again, let's see if we can close it as a W. So that's exactly what we did, and that was good. So for the total year on stream, we placed around 58 trades. I placed around 58 trades for the entire stream so far this year. So we said like March or May. I can't remember the exact month we started streaming, but we're doing well. So that's it, guys. So this is where I'm going to close off the stream. See you guys same time whenever we stream. Peace and love. And where's that? Bye.